Good afternoon. I'm Sheriff Scott Walton with the Rogers County Sheriff's Office. I want to give everybody an update in regards to what the Sheriff's Office is doing in regards to the recent coronavirus pandemic. 9 days into this, and we're certainly concerned to see that, nationwide we have 11,780 cases, and sadly enough, 176 deaths, with yesterday's recent death in Tulsa, Oklahoma, being the first Oklahoma death. So, as a concern to the Sheriff's Office and the public that we serve here in Rogers County, we just want to tell everyone a little bit of what we're doing and the changes that we've made in regards to our operations. First of all, we know that the Rogers County Courthouse was recently closed and will remain so until April the 6th. I want to give everybody a courthouse number in the event that they would need help, emergency help, something that's urgent from one of the offices in the Rogers County Courthouse. The phone number is 918-923-4400. And if you go to the Rogers County Courthouse, you'll see that posted on the outside of the building. As the lobby remains open to the Sheriff's Office, we still are limited our services there to emergency needs only. And we encourage everyone that if there is a need for the Sheriff's Office to make a report or contact and to get information in regards to something that's non-life threatening, by calling 918-923-9700. And as always, any emergency need would be a 911 call. The operation of the jail, obviously our concern there is to keep any outside threat of a virus from entering the jail. So in order to do that, there's enhanced measures to screen any arrestees or officers entering the jail, and we limit access to that. There will be inconveniences in the lobby as regards to attorneys meeting with their clients. We'll have to do that by way of the kiosk. We want to let everybody know that the health and safety of the inmates is a priority and responsibility of ours. And with that comes an enhanced cleaning and regular sanitizing that's almost constant in the jail. So even our inmates know that it is a priority and it's a concern and it is real that we eliminate any health hazards that we possibly can. Our inmate population is healthy. That's why all more the concern is to keep any outside threat or this virus from entering the facility is such a primary concern. Since the creation of our special coronavirus task force, we've designed this to meet the needs and the requests for assistance from the needy, the elderly, shut-ins, people without transportation. And we've paired up with local nonprofits, Meals on Wheels, Light of Hope Ministries, the Ministerial Alliance, and we will be able to deliver food assistance and needs to some of these individuals that would otherwise have a difficult time getting them. I also want to suggest to everyone that you continually check our Facebook page for updates and even more information in regards to our special task force, because it is limited. It's limited to resources and it's limited to the amount of volunteers that we have to provide what's necessary. And again, the entire focus of this is to the elderly, those with special needs, and the indigent. Another thing that needs to be addressed is displaced children from school being out. We know that so many of our children are dependent on school lunch programs to provide them with meals, and part of our task in regards to our task force here would be to pair with schools and work with these agencies in order to provide these displaced children with meals. We want everybody to keep in mind that our resources are limited, and this is a very unique time of uncertainty. So we ask that you check our Facebook page frequently to know that, to see what we're at on what we can and can't provide to the community. Again, the focus of this has to be pure and simple and directed at those with extreme needs. Expect and don't be alarmed if deputies show up that are wearing masks, protective clothing, gloves, or any personal equipment that can protect them as well as others from any exposures. In addition to that, don't be alarmed if deputy requests an individual or the dispatcher would ask an individual to come outside to meet the deputy and talk to them outside in situations where that has to be done. In closing, we want everybody to arm themselves with the facts, to be aware of scams and deliberate Facebook posts or anything that would incite fear. We want people to go on and understand that, those that can help others, be understanding and inspirational, and do the things, those acts of kindness that make Rogers County the unique place that we all live.